Welcome to our show!
What is good, y'all? It's your boy George, back with another quick video, quick unboxing. Today we're gonna take a look at the Jjjjound Reebok Nylon Classic, and I'm gonna give you guys just a closer look in detail of the shoe. So let's go ahead and just jump right into it. Okay guys, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Reebok Jjjounds. So these came out on September 25th, and price was $155 retail. I got these in a size 3.5. I got them for my wife. I decided to pass on this shoe, and I know she really liked this shoe, so I try and get that one for her instead. So let's go ahead and open this box. Oh, not bad. Not bad at all. Let's check these out, huh? Alright, let me get these out. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and take a closer look at these Jjjjound Nylon Classics. So on the upper, we got three materials. We got suede, the nylon, and a white leather Reebok swoosh. For the midsole, we got a nice cream midsole. The bottom is almost a gum bottom. The inside is filled with a terry cloth lining, so it almost feels like a soft towel. It feels pretty good, pretty comfortable, I'm sure. You got the Jjjjound logo right here, and the shoe itself comes with two laces. It comes with the white lace and the cream laces attached. I already went ahead and swapped out the cream laces here for my wife because she liked that one more. The shoe was fairly easy to get. They did have some sort of bot protection, so that was a little better. I don't think these shoes were as hyped as the New Balances or any of the other collaborations so far, but the one shoe I am looking forward to is the Club C version, which is going to be almost the same as the first one, but it's going to have this same color gum sole, as well as this cream like sand colored terry cloth lining on the Club C. So I'm looking forward to those. What did you guys think of these? Are you gonna go ahead and pick them up? Let me know in the comments down below. Alright guys, so thanks for watching. I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you could do me a favor, just go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. It would greatly help me. And also as well, leave your thoughts and comments down below as I mentioned. And that's about it guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.